Today, we are diving into an important concept in time series analysis, the simple moving average. If you ever wanted to understand how to smooth out data and identify trends, then this video is for you. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a simple moving average? Simple moving average is a method used in time series analysis to help you see the overall trend in your data over time. It does this by taking the average of a fixed number of recent data points and then moving this window across your dataset. As the window moves, it calculates a new average each time, which helps to smooth out short-term fluctuations and make it easier to see the bigger picture. The simple moving average means that each data point within the window is weighted equally. The main reason we use simple moving average is to identify trends in our data. It's especially useful when dealing with stock prices, sales figures, or any other time series data where we want to see the overall direction without being distracted by daily or monthly up and downs. Now let's see how we can calculate the simple moving average using a straightforward example. Suppose we have monthly sales figures for a store over 5 months. January 100 units, February 120 units, March 130 units, April 110 units, May 115 units. To calculate a 3-month simple moving average for a month of April, we will take the average of the sales figures for January, February, and March. For the January, we have 100 units, and for the February, we have 120 units, and for March, 130 units. Add these together, then you will get 350. Now divide by the number of month, which is 3. So 350 divided by 3 equal 116.67. So the 3-month simple moving average for April is 116.67 units. This value helps us to see smooth trends of sales up to April. To find the next simple moving average value, we simply slide down our window forward by 1 month and repeat the process. For the month of May, we would average February, March, and April sales figures. So February we have 120 units, and for the March we have 130 units, and for the April 110 units. And add these together, then you will get 360, and now divide it by 3. So 360 divided by 3 equal 120. This gives us a 3-month simple moving average for May of 120 units. As you can see, by moving the window and recalculating, we create a new time series that smooth our short-term fluctuations and show the underlying trends. And there you have it. The simple moving average is a powerful tool for analyzing time series data, making it easier to identify trends and make better decisions. Give it a try with your own dataset and see how it helps you understand your data better. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more time series analysis tutorials. See you in the next video.